Me old man is boring. Once again he's snoring off his head. Waking up the dead, here we go again. Do you think that armchair is your throne? 'Cause all you ever do is fucking moan. To me you look like a big fat golden gnome, sitting on your plastic throne. Yeah, and it's a mushroom, mate. The old man is yawning. Time to start his morning, he's rolling out of bed. I'd like to punch him in the head. Here we go again. Oh, look at the state of you. What did mother ever do? She don't deserve this. I'm ashamed of you and you should be too. You're worthless. If you flare your nostrils at her one more time, I'm gonna knock your teeth in. Trust me, I ain't lying. Oh why couldn't you just be a father to me instead of being a fucking joke? You were never kind. No, you will never be a friend of mine. One day you will wake up a sad and lonely old man. No one will care about you. And when you're gone, I'll be the first to spit upon your grave. No tears will fall down on you. A selfish, lying, cheating bastard, always took and never gave. Your mean is legendary, and now take it to your grave. No one is gonna miss you. No one is gonna miss you. Me old man is boring. No matter how hard I try, no matter what I do, I've tried leaving, but now I'm believing even U.DO.U couldn't escape from you. I've tried to run just as fast as I can. I don't think even Superman could escape from you. Are you good? Are you evil? Do you put spells on people? It's a witchcraft with a potion. Use it in lotion. If you got secret power, you devour. Even U.Do.U couldn't escape from you. I don't think I stand no chance. Writings on the wall, I'm a condemned man. You drain me by the hour, girl, with your superpower. No begging or pleading, I know I'm never leaving. Even U.Do.U couldn't escape from you. No boat, no plane, no car, no train carry me away from you. I can't break the spell. Is it heaven or hell? I don't know what to do. You drain me by the hour, girl, with your superpower. No begging, no pleading, I know I'm never leaving. Even U.DO.U couldn't escape from you. Even U.DO.U couldn't escape from you. Do you think you know me? You don't know me at all. Take a look, tell me what you see. Evil is inside of me. I'm a fucker, a despicable guy. There's nothing to like about me. I would gladly watch someone die, where I would even lend a helping hand. Evil, evil, evil is inside of me. Evil, evil, evil is inside of me. Your trust in me, 'cause I will rob you blind, then I'll take your dignity. I have no compassion, I'm rotten to the core. I feed up people's misery, fuck the living, fuck them all. Evil, evil, evil is inside of me. Evil, evil, evil is inside of me. One thing you should know about me is that I hear voices in my head constantly. Here I have no compassion, I'm rotten to the core. I feed up people's misery, fuck the living, fuck them all. Yeah, fuck the living, I want to kill you all. 17, 17, I wish I was 17. Had the best times of my life when I was 17. I lost my virginity at 17. I lost it on the kitchen floor. Remember thinking, come on son, this is it. Last for a minute or more. When I was 17, young and keen, I was invincible at 17. From the floor to the hall, then up against the wall, it was heaven. We would have sex 24/7. And as the days and weeks went on, well, my record, it grew long. I think it was 11. 17, 17, I wish I was 17. The best times of my life when I was 17. There was nothing that I couldn't do. I never listened to anyone. Always did exactly what I wanted to. Out all day, having fun. Yeah, 17, 17, I wish I was 17. Had the best times of my life when I was 17. I bought my first little college struggle doing 80. But I always had my foot down on the ground. Me and my mates were all driving crazy. It's a miracle that we're still here at all. Yeah, 17, 17, I wish I was 17. Best times of my life when I was 17. 17, 17, I wish I was 17. Had the best times of my life when I was 17. Yeah, 17.